More about Internet. Internet means interconnected network. Internet is a huge network of computers connected worldwide. It provides connectivity to millions of computers. The computers are connected through cables or telephone lines or through any wireless medium. History of Internet. In the late 60s, USA's Defense Department formed ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, with the motive to develop technology to connect computers at different locations for better communication during the wartime. In the year 1969, agency was successful in connecting 4 computers in a network, 1 in California and 3 in Utah. This network was named ARP-ANET. Later on, they allowed universities and research centers to connect to this network for sharing their information. The network started growing very quickly. Today, that network has taken the shape of Internet. How to connect with the Internet? We can connect with the Internet using wired or wireless technology. But there are some basic requirements for connecting with the Internet. They are computer system. A PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone is needed on which we can use the Internet facilities. Modem. It stands for modulator, demodulator. This device is needed to connect the computer system with the communication network. Modems are of 2 types. External modem is connected through wires to the computer. Internal modem is fixed inside the CPU box. Internet Service Provider, ISP. This is a company which provides connectivity to the Internet. Some of the ISPs are Airtel, Tata Indicom, BSNL, Reliance, MTNL, etc. Before buying an Internet connection, we must know certain things. An ISP charges a fee depending on the connection speed. The connection speed determines how fast the data is sent to your computer. It is measured in Mbps, megabits per second. Higher Mbps speed will load web pages more quickly and enable fast download speed. Web browser. This is a software in your computer which is needed to open the web pages. Some of the popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Internet terms. Let's discuss some Internet terms. World Wide Web, WWW. World Wide Web, WWW, is the largest collection of information on the Internet. It contains millions of websites. Thus, Internet is like a library that contains millions of books. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that provides information. It is like a book that contains many pages. Web page. A web page is a part of a website. Each page may contain text, graphics, audios, videos, etc. Home page. The first page which appears when we open the website. This main page is called the home page. Hyperlink. A web page also contains hyperlinks. They may be text or image. When you move the mouse pointer over a hyperlink, it changes its shape to a hand. When we click on the hyperlink, some other part of the website opens. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Each web page has a unique address known as its URL or web address. An example of a URL is http://www.grambooks.com, which is the URL for the website of Grambooks. Download and upload. Download is the process of receiving programs or information from the Internet. Upload is the process of putting programs or information from our computer to the Internet. It is just opposite of download. The term download and upload is often associated with pictures, songs, videos, and programs. Net surfing. Moving from one page to another on the browser is called as a net surfing. Opening a browser, Microsoft Edge. After connecting to the internet, we need a browser to open a website. To open Microsoft Edge browser, click on Start button and select Microsoft Edge tile from the Start menu. You can also click on the Microsoft Edge icon from the Quick Launch bar on the taskbar. Parts of Microsoft Edge. Address bar. The address bar is used to write the address or URL of the website. Just type the address and press Enter key. Back and forward back button is used to go back on the previous page which you had opened just before the current page. Forward button is used to go forward. This button can only be used if we have used the back button. Both back and forward buttons allow us to move through the web pages we have recently viewed. New tab. With the help of this button, we can open different websites at the same time. Click on the New tab to open another website. You can also press Ctrl+T keys. Click on the Close tab on the tab to close the current tab. To switch between tabs, click on the tab that is not selected. Refresh. This button is used to start reloading the web page again. We use the refresh button when the website is not displayed properly. Add to favorites. This button is used to save a web page that we would like to visit in the future. Hence, we do not need to remember the complete address of our favorite website. Click Add to Favorites button and click on Add. This will save the website as your favorite. Hub. The Hub button is made up of 4 tabs: Favorites, Reading List, History, and Downloads. Each tab has a special function. Favorites. This tab is used to open a favorite page. Click on Hub button. Click on Favorites tab. Click on the website from the Favorites list. Reading List. This tab is used to save a web page and read later. History. This tab is used to see the list of previous websites we visited. Downloads. This shows a list of all the recently downloaded content. Uses of Internet. We can do a lot of things using the Internet. Some of them are as follows. Entertainment. Internet is a famous entertainment tool these days. It is used to download and play games, download movies, songs, etc. Online shopping. We can book tickets of a movie or a train or a flight using the Internet. We can also purchase and sell items from anywhere across the world and pay bills from home. Some of the popular shopping websites are Flipkart, www.flipkart.com, Amazon, www.amazon.in, Snapdeal, www.snapdeal.com. Searching. Internet is used to get information on any topic. We can look for latest news, math score, cooking recipes, and many more things using a search engine. Search engines are specially programmed websites that search information for us according to the terms we specify. The most popular search engines is Google, www.google.com. Online chatting. This facility of Internet allows us to exchange text or voice or video messages with others instantly. Such websites are also called chat rooms. Email. An email, electronic mail, is a message sent from one computer to another computer. There are many websites which provide this facility. For example, Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. Email is faster than the old traditional mails. It is convenient, and we can also send documents, images, and videos as an attachment. E-cards. An e-card is an electronic greeting card that can be sent to anyone across the world using Internet. We need to choose a card and write the email ID of the sender and receiver. Some of the popular e-card websites are www.123greetings.com, www.ecards.com, www.hallmark.com. Social networking. Social networking is a very common way of communication these days. It brings people together to talk, share ideas and interests, or make new friends. The most popular social networking website on the internet is Facebook, www.facebook.com. Video conferencing. Conducting a live connection between two or more participants at different locations is called video conferencing. This kind of communication between two persons works like a video phone. A microphone and a web camera is used by all the participants. The most popular video conferencing website is Skype, www.skype.com. Searching information on a website. We have read that internet is very commonly used to search information on any topic, but it is not possible to remember the address of all the websites. Hence, we use search engines. Search engines are specially programmed websites that search information for us according to the terms we specify. Some of the popular search engines are Google, www.google.com, Bing, www.bing.com, Yahoo, www.yahoo.com, Ask, www.ask.com. To search for an information. Step 1. Open a search engine in a web browser by typing its address in the address bar. Step 2. Type the term you want to search for in the search box and press Enter key or click on Google search button. The search engine displays a list of websites matching the search term. Step 3. Now click on a hyperlink you find most suitable and read the information.